At the bottom of the screen, below the Sheet tabs, you see an area referred to as the status bar. Very often, you will see the word Ready in the lower left corner. When you take certain actions, like if I touch Caps Lock here, it says Caps Lock. But there are more uses. If I select the revenue column here, column A, at the bottom of the screen, there is a few statistical measures here. This tells me what's the average revenue, the count, and the total or the sum of the revenue. If we right click in the status bar, you will see a huge list of various entries. We can turn this on and off. This adds the minimum, the maximum, and the numerical count. So we'll see here the average, the count, the minimum, the numerical count, and the max and the sum. So the status bar keeps us informed as the number of the totals for different sales that we might have highlighted. There is also normal here, which gives us the typical Excel view. And the next button to the right is called the page layout. And this is handy as we start to work with different data. You can change the title and the logo also. Here is also the page break view, and this is also tell us to adjust and to make it ready for print. We'll discover more in a later section on this. The last one is here, the zoom bar. We can zoom in and zoom out as we want to view our data.